salad recipes for heart patients. Your heart is the engine of your body, and what you eat can either protect it or put stress on it. That's why today we're giving you 10 delicious, easy, and medically approved salad recipes specifically designed for heart patients, people with high blood pressure, cholesterol issues, or anyone who simply wants to keep their heart strong. These salads are low in sodium, rich in fiber, packed with heart protective antioxidants, and made with ingredients proven to support cardiovascular health. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss our science-based health videos. Let's start cooking for your heart. 10 heart-healthy salad recipes. 1. Mediterranean chickpea salad. Why it's good for the heart. The Mediterranean diet is famous for reducing heart disease risk by up to 30%. Chickpeas provide soluble fiber, lowers LDL cholesterol, plant protein potassium balances blood pressure. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked chickpeas, diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, parsley, lemon juice, 1 teaspoon olive oil, black pepper. How to make: mix everything and chill for 10 minutes. A refreshing, fiber-rich, heart-protective meal. 2. Spinach and walnut antioxidant salad. Why it's good. Spinach is packed with nitrate, a natural compound that relaxes arteries. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and LDL cholesterol. Ingredients: 2 cups fresh spinach, a handful of walnuts, 1 apple, thinly sliced, a few raisins, 1 teaspoon lemon honey dressing. How to make: add everything and toss gently. Perfect for artery cleansing. 3. Oats and yogurt. Heart-friendly bowl. Why it's good. Oats contain beta-glucan, which traps cholesterol in your gut and prevents absorption. Yogurt supports your gut and reduces inflammation. Ingredients: ½ cup cooked oats, 3 tablespoons low-fat yogurt, cucumber, mint leaves, pinch of black pepper. How to make: mix all ingredients and let it cool. A cooling, creamy, heart-friendly salad. 4. Beetroot and orange blood pressure salad. Why it's good. Beetroots contain natural nitrates which convert into nitric oxide. Opens blood vessels. Oranges add vitamin C that strengthens blood vessels. Ingredients: boiled beetroot slices, orange segments, baby spinach, ½ teaspoon olive oil. How to make: arrange beetroot, oranges, and spinach. Drizzle with olive oil. Amazing for BP control. 5. Carrot, cabbage, and flaxseed crunch bowl. Why it's good. Flax seeds contain plant omega-3 and lignans that reduce artery inflammation. Carrots and cabbage give fiber, beta-carotene, and detox benefits. Ingredients: grated carrot, shredded cabbage, 1 teaspoon roasted flaxseed, lemon juice. How to make: combine everything and mix lightly. A crunchy, cholesterol-lowering bowl. 6. Quinoa and avocado potassium salad. Why it's good. Quinoa is a complete protein that stabilizes blood sugar. Avocado gives healthy fats that raise HDL, good cholesterol. Ingredients: ½ cup boiled quinoa, sliced avocado, tomatoes, basil, 1 teaspoon olive oil. How to make: toss all ingredients gently. Great for lowering belly fat and protecting heart muscles. 7. Cucumber yogurt, hypertension salad, write a bowl. Why it's good. Cucumber hydrates and reduces sodium load. Yogurt stabilizes BP and supports gut-heart connection. Ingredients: diced cucumber, low-fat yogurt, mint pinch of roasted cumin. How to make: mix, chill, and serve. A cooling beer. Pea-friendly recipe. 8. Kidney bean and tomato protein salad. Why it's good. Kidney beans lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar. Tomatoes provide lycopene, proven to reduce stroke risk. Ingredients: 1 cup boiled kidney beans, diced tomatoes, coriander, onion, optional, lemon juice. How to make: mix all ingredients and refrigerate for 20 minutes. A great replacement for heavy meals. 9. Apple, celery, and pumpkin seed salad. Why it's good. Celery contains phlides, a compound known to lower blood pressure. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium, a mineral essential for heart rhythm. Ingredients: chopped apple, sliced celery, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, a little lemon. How to make: toss everything with a few drops of lemon. Refreshing and excellent for arterial health. 10. Heart repair lentil. Protein salad. Why it's good? Lentils help reduce plaque buildup and improve artery elasticity. Perfect for heart patients needing plant-based protein. Ingredients: 1 cup boiled lentils, chopped cucumber, chopped tomatoes, parsley, 1 teaspoon olive oil, lemon juice. How to make: mix all ingredients. A perfect lunch for heart repair and long-lasting energy. Salad 11, the heart-calming pomegranate detox. Salad extra talking points to extend video, heart science bite. Pomegranate contains punicolagens. These compounds are so powerful that they can reduce arterial plaque buildup and improve blood flow within weeks. Why it matters: helps arteries stay flexible, improves nitric oxide activity, reduces oxidative stress caused by high blood pressure. Add tiny educational section. Explain how free radicals damage the inner lining of arteries, endothelium, and how pomegranate acts like a shield. Cultural touch. Pomegranate has been used in Persian and Middle Eastern medicine for centuries as a symbol of life and vitality. Add preparation variation. Add mint to enhance digestion. Add a spoon of balsamic vinegar for antioxidants. Engagement line: if your heart ever feels tired or sluggish, this salad is like giving it a refreshing wake-up call. Salad 12, the heart-active sweet potato fiber bowl. Why sweet potatoes help the heart? Packed with potassium, high in heart-protective carotenoids. Their slow-digesting carbs prevent glucose surges. Science extension. Explain how stable blood sugar reduces inflammation, preventing artery stiffness. Add a cooking tip. Roast sweet potatoes instead of boiling. Roasting preserves more antioxidants. Mini nutrition. Note: 1 medium sweet potato gives more than 400% of your daily vitamin A, essential for healthy blood vessels. Ask viewers, do you prefer roasted or steamed sweet potato? Tell me in the comments. Salad 13, the Omega Boost Chia Seed. Super Bowl health importance: chia seeds swell up in water, creating a gel that slows digestion, reduces LDL cholesterol, stabilizes blood sugar science. Add-on: they're one of the richest plant sources of omega-3, which improves artery elasticity. Texture tip: let chia seeds soak for 10 minutes to avoid crunchiness and improve nutrient absorption. Serving tip: add berries, yogurt, or even thinly sliced almonds. Engagement line: this bowl is perfect for people who want something quick but incredibly heart protective. Salad 14, the anti-inflammatory ginger and carrot zest. Salad heart explanation: ginger may lower cholesterol by reducing liver synthesis of LDL. Carrots add beta-carotene, which protects the inner artery walls. Mini science moment. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest silent killers for the heart. Ginger helps reduce it naturally. Tip: grate ginger very finely to avoid overpowering the salad. Variation: add a splash of apple cider vinegar for gut benefits. Fun fact: ginger has been used in Asian medicine for 5,000 years, especially for blood circulation. Salad 15, the high-fiber barley and herb salad. Why barley is underrated: contains beta-glucan like oats, lowers cholesterol, keeps you full for hours. Heart science: beta-glucan forms a gel that reduces LDL absorption in the intestines. Prep tip: soak barley overnight to shorten cooking time and improve texture. Flavor tip: add parsley, mint, or lemon zest for freshness. Engagement question: have you ever used barley in a salad? Try it once, it might surprise you. Salad 16, the turmeric lentil anti-inflammation salad. Why turmeric works: curcumin reduces oxidative stress and supports healthy endothelial function. Science add-on: when arteries inflame, they become stiff. Turmeric helps them stay flexible. Ingredient trick: add a pinch of black pepper. It increases turmeric absorption by 2,000%. Variation: add warm lentils for a comforting, winter-friendly salad. Cultural note: this style of salad is inspired by South Asian and Middle Eastern cuisines. Salad 17, the avocado tomato lycopene booster salad. Heart benefits: tomatoes supply lycopene. Avocados provide healthy fats. Together equals better absorption of antioxidants. Science tip: lycopene reduces oxidative stress inside arteries and improves overall blood flow. Preparation. Tip: use slightly soft avocados for creamier texture. Extra idea: add oregano for Mediterranean flavor and extra polyphenols. Audience engagement. Which team are you? Soft avocado or firm avocado? Let me know. Salad. 18. The gut-heart connection. Fermented veg salad. Deep health insight. Gut bacteria influence blood pressure and cholesterol. Fermented foods improve both. Ingredients you can mention: sauerkraut kimchi, mild versions for heart patients; pickled cucumbers, low sodium. Science extension. 70% of immune cells live in the gut. A healthier gut equals lower inflammation equals healthier heart. Serving tip: mix small amounts into salads to add tang and probiotics. Salad 19. The garlic and herb circulation salad. Why garlic is heart protective? It boosts nitric oxide production, helping arteries relax. Science bit: aged garlic extract is shown to reduce plaque thickness in arteries. Tip: use fresh crushed garlic to maximize alicin. Let it sit for 5 minutes before mixing. Variation: add cherry tomatoes, herbs, and lemon for brightness. Salad 20. The Vitamin K Green Power Salad. Heart relevance: leafy greens like kale, romaine, and arugula improve calcium regulation in arteries. Deep explanation: vitamin K helps keep calcium inside bones. Walnuts and lemon dressing. Fun fact: women who eat greens daily have significantly lower heart disease risk. Your heart deserves care, and these salads are some of the simplest, tastiest ways to protect it every single day. Even small dietary changes can reduce heart disease risk dramatically. If you want more heart-healthy recipes, comment Part 2 and I'll make a new video for you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Share this with someone who needs healthier meal options. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.